Sermon number 28. The transient nature of this world, and importance of the next world. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. So now, surely this world has turned its back and announced its departure, while the next world has appeared forward and proclaimed its approach. Today is the day of preparation, while tomorrow is the day of race. The place to proceed to is paradise, while the place of doom is hell. Is there no one to offer repentance over his faults before his death? Or is there no one to perform virtuous acts before the day of trial? Beware, surely you are in the days of hopes behind which stands death. Whoever acts during the days of his hope before approach of his death, his action would benefit him, and his death would not harm him. But he who fails to act during the period of hope before the approach of death, his action is a loss and his death is a harm to him. Beware, and act during a period of attraction just as you act during a period of dread. Beware, surely I have not seen a coveter for paradise asleep, nor a dreader from hell to be asleep. Beware, he whom right does not benefit must suffer the harm of the wrong, and he whom guidance does not keep firm will be led away by misguidance towards destruction. Beware, you have been ordered insistently to march and been guided how to provide for the journey. Surely the most frightening thing which I am afraid of about you is to follow desires and to widen the hopes. Provide for yourself from this world what would save you tomorrow, on the day of judgment.